Hey, what's up, Gomez gang? Today we are going to talk about proportional relationships in equations. We've been talking a little bit about this in class, but just in case, I did make a video for you guys. So we have four equations here. We need to find out which ones are not proportional. That is what the question is asking me. I'm gonna show you a little bit of tricks that I know about that I can help you with. For the first one, equation number 1, we have 3y is equal to 2x. Now, the short way of doing it that most people have figured out is that I can just divide both sides by 3 in order to find that y is equal to 2/3 x. Of course, constant of proportionality is anything that I need to multiply x by every single time to get to y. So in this situation, my constant of proportionality is 2/3. So yes, this is proportional. For the second one, we have 5.2x is equal to y. No need to do any work. We already have the constant of proportionality. What I need to multiply x by every single time to get to y. So I know that equations 1 and 2 both work. Now 3, a lot of kids are going to tell me, hey, there's a plus 7 there. It's not going to work. That's cool, you're right, but that's not good enough of an explanation. You need to be able to explain it. I'm going to zoom out real quick just so we can see what I'm referring to. I have y is equal to 4x plus 7. Let's pretend that x is equal to 1 and fill out a ratio table where that's the case, right? If x is equal to 1, we are doing 4 times 1, which is equal to 4, plus 7, which is going to get me to 11. In other words, 11 is equal to y. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 11. Let's try it again with 2. And if x is equal to 2, then that means that y must be equal to 22. Let's double check that. So my original equation was y is equal to 4x plus 7. I'm going to substitute in that 2 for that x. We have 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 7, which is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15. As you can see, there is no constant of proportionality in this table because from x to y in my first row, I need to multiply by 11, whereas in the second row, 2 times 7.5 will get me to y. Not good enough. Last but not least, we do have 2y is equal to x. As we've mentioned, if I need 2 y's to get to x, that means that x is twice the size of y. So in order for me to get from x to y, I need to do x divided by 2, but that's not good enough, so it's x times 1/2. 1/2 x is going to get me to my y. Also proportional with the proportional relationship of 1/2. That is my constant. That one works. The only one that does not work is equation 3, and that is answer choice A. Here we are. Have a good night.